So we want to review a few battle rope basics before we begin with any of the exercises. In terms of basics, it's about your grip, it's about your stance. When you do the test especially, you'll also need to learn how to move your hands up and adjust on the ropes because you can't stop during that time. So first, some different grips that you can use. Okay, you can hold it with your entire hand, you can have your palms facing in and make the alternating arm waves. Okay, this is the basic grip, basic movement. You can also do stagecoach grip. While you won't use this one for the test, you will find a couple different stagecoach movements where you actually have to have the handles pointing up. You can also do a couple different grips with just the basic. You can turn your palms to face down. Okay, so when you're doing the alternating arms, you can have your palms facing down, which can help sort of alleviate some of the strain. You can also do like a little OK grip where you're actually just gripping the rope with your thumb and the first finger. And that can sort of release your grip, especially when you're going for the test and you're trying to go for a longer amount of time. So you can keep your fingers out, just gripping with your thumb and your first finger. You can also do sort of like a gun sort of shape with your hand and point your fingers and grip with the rest of your fingers to give those first two fingers a break if you've used them for the OK grip. When you do the test to adjust your hands without releasing the ropes, you're gonna have to walk. So if you just sort of see my hands, they're sort of walking down the ropes right there. That allows me to readjust as the rope sort of slips back during the test. So if you watch the rope, you'll see it sort of grow on this end. So I'm gonna walk my hands forward as I'm doing the movement. See that the rope is sort of coming. That allows me to readjust. So as during the test, if I sort of lose it, I can go back forward. When you do the movements, you also want to get your hips involved. And the way you throw the rope can vary. So I can do more straight out in front, a little straighter arm, a little more Frankenstein arm. I can throw it more from my hip, so more of a gunslinger, throwing it from the hip, okay? Or I can even stay right in tight, sort of like a little bicep curl. You want to play around with these to figure out which is most comfortable for you. Also during testing, you might find that you have to mix it up because you do get tired. 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, shoot, even 30 seconds is a lot of time on the battling ropes. So make sure to play around with it, vary it up, and have some fun.